What is up, you guys? Stevie here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I got another round of my recent pickups slash monthly favorites. I feel like these kind of videos are honestly probably you guys' favorites. Definitely let me know in the comments down below, because I feel like you guys are always down to just like watch me talk about me buying things and spending my money in like the most useless places. But anyways, getting back into today's video, monthly favorites slash pickups. We got a ton of gems. We got some thrift stuff, some designer stuff, some accessories, nice wide assortment in today's video. So with that being said, be sure to give this video a huge thumbs up, subscribe for more content like this, and as always, be sure at the end of the video to drop me some love in the comments down below. And if any of you guys, as always, are interested in any of the items mentioned or worn in today's video, all of that stuff will be linked in the description box down below. Without further ado, sit back, get cozy. Monthly favorites slash pickups, let's get it. All right, so starting off with this first item, I'm gonna just start off this video with a banger. This is legit the most expensive item in this whole entire haul, but it's my personal favorite item, and it is this nylon black Prada bag. It's just in the ever so classic Prada nylon material, and it just features a ton of very subtle branding with the Prada logo in the front, as well as just a super simple Prada kind of like embossing into the actual buckle of the bum bag, and then throughout the kind of adjustable strap, it says Prada as well. You guys already know what it is. I'm always out here just rocking bags. I live for just a really nice bag, but I felt like within my whole bag collection or just accessories in general, I never had a solid bum bag or fanny pack, because for me personally, I feel like fanny packs can look kind of cheesy in my opinion. Like if it's not done right or if it's not the right one, it just can look kind of immature. So I definitely wanted to invest in a really good one, and I feel like this one from Prada is definitely just the prime example of a super nice bum bag. Not gonna lie, this is definitely a super expensive item. You guys already know I'm out here just always trying to invest in quality stuff. This is just what the bag looks like. You can either kind of wear it across your body like this, or you can kind of wear it on your back, or you can kind of wear it just with like one like this, kind of catch that vibe if you're into that. But nonetheless, I'm super gassed that I finally have just a really nice, again, fanny pack slash bum bag. Gonna hold all of my essentials, my camera, my phone, my keys, my new wallet, which we're gonna get into in a second. Coming up at number one on the list, the banger, best purchase in my opinion of this whole entire haul, it is this Prada nylon black bag. This next item right here is definitely one that, again, I've been wanting, just like the Prada bag, and it is this pair of pleated pants from A.P.C. Issey Miyake. I'm not gonna kind of talk about it too much just because I already did a styling and full review of these pants. So if you guys are new to the channel and you haven't watched that video, I'll definitely be sure to throw it up in the cards and link it down below. But overall, it's just a super solid pair of pants. It's so comfy. This is legit the most comfortable pair of going out trousers that I personally own. The pleats are super, I don't know, they're just different. It's like a different type of flag. It's definitely kind of one of those things that it's not gonna be everyone's cup of tea, but I feel like, you know, if you know what it is and if you know the vibes, and you would know like, this is the vibe. It's different, it's unique, it's a nice twist on an ever so classic, just standard pair of black trousers. And I know for a fact, just like the Prada bag and just like all of my other designer things that I have, I'm definitely gonna have this for a really long time. I feel like it fits different from my other kind of pants that I own. And yeah, I think if you guys are in the market for just something that's, again, different but still wearable, I would highly recommend checking this out. Item number three is probably the item that I got the best bang for my buck. My cousin Mel just moved here, so you know, she's out here always trying to do like all these fun things. So there was this one night that we went to this thing called the Aloha Night Market in South Lake Union in downtown Seattle, and basically there was just a ton of food vendors. They were playing like a movie. There was like shops, and there was multiple people having like booths, like thrifted items and like vintage curated pieces. There was this one shop that had this whole big section, quality Carhartt stuff. So with that being said, this next item right here is just a Carhartt jacket that I picked up again from the Aloha Night Market. That vlog is coming very soon, so stay tuned. And a super standard kind of black colorway with some really nice kind of like dark brown corduroy like collar thing. I'm over here like I'm drawing a blank. You already know what it is, with the standard like Carhartt logo on the chest. Both of our jackets were only $25 each, which in my opinion is such a steal for a quality Carhartt piece. You guys already know what it is. Like these jackets be going upwards of like $100, and the fact that we did pick it up at the Aloha Night Market, and then it was like a thrifted thing, and the fact that it's still super nice and in really good quality, and it was only $25 here, like, say less. You know what I'm saying? I don't know about you guys, but I'm so over this summer. Like, I'm tired of this heat. It's hot. Like, I just want to wear jackets, and I just want to wear like Chelsea boots again and all that stuff. So I feel like this is going to be a really nice kind of starting piece for all the other fall/winter pickups I'm about to get. Real quick, before we get into the rest of my monthly pickups slash favorites, I want to give a big shout out to Skillshare for sponsoring this video and supporting my channel. If you guys have been watching me for a minute now, you would know I'm just always out here working with them and promoting them. Skillshare is just such a great online learning kind of tool and community. They have over 25,000 classes in design, business, photography, and just so much more. Premium membership to Skillshare gives you unlimited access to just all of the courses and classes that would fit you and just the things that you're trying to learn and the things that you vibe with. One of my favorite courses as of right now is street photography, Capture the Life of Your City by Trash Hand. If you follow me on Instagram, you would know I'm just always out here like posting a ton on my Instagram story. I'm always like on the way and I'm always just like in the city. So I feel like if any of you guys are just into photography or if you're into just kind of taking a ton of photos, I would highly recommend checking out that course because the course really just goes in on just kind of sharing tips and tricks on how to take really nice, well curated photos around your area. So again, can't recommend that specific course enough. I'm definitely a firm believer in the fact that knowledge is power, and Skillshare is just such a great way to, again, just keep you guys learning and thriving in whatever it is that you guys are into, again, with either design, business, photography. They even have like classes on like sewing and stuff like that, which is crazy. So again, I can't recommend Skillshare enough. And the best part is Skillshare is 100% coming through for my viewers. They're giving away a free 2-month unlimited access trial with the first link in my description box down below. So again, if any of you guys are interested in just, you know, learning more about whatever it is that you guys are into, because again, they have so much classes on Skillshare, I would highly recommend just checking them out and go showing them some love. Links to everything in the description box below. And big thanks once again to Skillshare for sponsoring this video and supporting my channel. This next accessory is the most like smallest, most daintiest thing in honestly the whole entire world. I saw the homies at Jack the Lad on Instagram and at Dan Carroll on Instagram. I saw both of them sporting this card holder from Acne Studios, and when I saw them wearing it, I was like, yo, that's a vibe, like I need one. So I went ahead and I sold my YSL wallet to get this guy right here. I definitely wanted to show you guys the box because it's hella cute. So it just comes in this hella dainty Acne Studios box, and then when you open it, the colorway that I got is the almond brown color, and yeah, it just looks like this. Super, like I said, dainty and small and just quick for like some on-the-go vibes. I really do like the almond brown color. I feel like it's something different from the black or, you know, like regular tan brown or something. I definitely wanted my wallet this time around to be something a little bit different because you guys already know what it is. I'm always out here just wearing neutral stuff. With my wallet, it being so tiny and dainty, I felt like that was a good opportunity to switch it up. And yeah, I just feel like it's a nice, subtle, casual flex, just something chill. Like I said, perfect for on the go. And it's pretty inexpensive in my opinion. I believe this was only $100. If any of you guys are, you know, trying to get a new wallet or something, I would highly recommend checking out this one from Acne Studios. Again, links to everything down below. These jewelry pieces right here from A.P.C, I'm so excited to talk about. Always out here wearing this one specific ring, and it's actually the ring that I'm wearing right now. I definitely wanted to, you know, try just new things and start wearing maybe multiple rings and maybe kind of get into wearing necklaces and stuff. The team over at A.P.C blessed me with just a ton of gems. So on my hand right now, I'd be wearing both of these rings every single day. So the one that you guys always see me wearing in kind of like a more geometric vibe is the reach ring. This ring right here just goes well with everything. And then I wanted a ring that I could rock on my pinky, something a little bit smaller just to kind of get more visual interest going on my hand. So this ring right here, I don't know exactly what this ring is called, but again, links to everything and names and sizes to everything in the description box down below. So I did go ahead and pick up another silver pinky ring. It just has like these leaves on it with like the hands, and I feel like it's a nice touch, you know, if you're trying to switch it up and try new things. Having two rings, one on your pointer and one on your pinky, is kind of like the vibe that I've been on lately. So both of these rings again are from A.P.C. So not only did they bless me with rings, but they went ahead and sent me a couple necklaces. So these two necklaces right here, I'm so hyped for because these are the prime example of the type of necklaces that I would wear. These two necklaces right here, I cannot gas up enough. They're honestly just a perfect combo. So the thicker one is in, again, silver. It's just super thick and like low-key obnoxious in my opinion, but I feel like that's why I like it, especially when paired with the more daintier necklace that I have right underneath it. Again, in the silver colorway, and then on the pendant, and it kind of features this like rose vibe going on, like a flower type of situation. And I feel like it's a nice kind of contrast, you know, between something that's super dainty versus something that's a little bit more bold and a little bit, again, just more out there. These two necklaces combined are just a perfect combo. You know, when you're wearing something super basic, but you want to dress it up, or or you're just trying to catch a more, I don't know, I guess like dressier vibe, because I'm definitely all about wearing casual things and then just adding accessories to my outfit to make it look a little bit more elevated, again, beyond that casual flex. These necklaces and the rings that I'm rocking right now are just perfect, again, for just everyday moves and really just out here taking your outfit to the next level. Last item up on the list for my monthly favorites slash pickups is this dress shirt that I picked up from the thrift, just in a standard kind of white colorway. It's in this really thick, heavy Oxford material. I've been just on the hunt for the perfect oversized, like super oversized shirt that I can wear again during the summer, during the spring, during the fall, during the winter, you know. I always had a hard time coming up on one because it was either too like thin or it was like stained or something. And then I was at the thrift for my homie in Capitol Hill and I came up on this one, and this guy right here was only like $9. It was great. It fits me perfectly. When you guys are watching the B-roll clips, the way that this oversized shirt falls on my body is how I would recommend you guys, if you're interested in, you know, rocking that whole oversized dress shirt look, that's how I would recommend you guys sport it. Again, just love everything about it, and the fact that I copped it thrifted, it wasn't dirty, like it was still really in good condition. It's from a quality brand as well, just made it all the more better. Definitely, you know, don't sleep on the thrift store, and really just, when you guys hit up the thrift, just really take the time to kind of sift through everything, because you can find some solid gems when you're at the thrift. I think some of my favorite pieces in my wardrobe are from the thrift store. All right, you guys, and that is it for my monthly favorites slash pickups. As I mentioned, everything worn and talked about will be linked in the description box down below. Give this video a huge thumbs up, subscribe for more content like this, and just drop me some love in the comments down below. And if you aren't already, be sure to follow me on my Instagram and my Twitter. I'm always just out here like posting a ton of gems on there. So if you guys just want more vibes, like more outfit photos, more of me just talking my life away, like more content overall, definitely follow me again on my Instagram and Twitter. It's just my name, throw it up on the screen right here. Much love once again to the team over at Skillshare for sponsoring this video and supporting my channel. If any of you guys are interested in getting 2 free months of unlimited access to Skillshare and all of the online courses that they provide, definitely be sure to hit the first link in my description box down below. Again, I can't recommend Skillshare enough. I feel like it's just such a great and cool way to just keep learning, because as I mentioned, I'm just all about, I firmly believe like knowledge is power. So I think if you guys are out here just, you know, trying to expand and broaden, I guess, like the way that you think, or just like the more things that you know, Skillshare is just like the perfect online tool to do just that. So again, big thanks to Skillshare for sponsoring this video. And if you guys are interested, first link in the description box below. I really like all of the things that I picked up, so definitely let me know which one is your favorite. I'm so stoked to rock that Prada bag and take some solid photos. I actually leave for New York Fashion Week soon. So again, make sure you're following me on my other social media platforms. I'm about to be just going in on stories and all that stuff, and just always posting a ton. So just follow me on there, give this video a huge thumbs up, subscribe for more content like this. Yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.